Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be installing the rear window motor on the BMW, and I accidentally erased the original video that is supposed to go with this video. So this is what I'm going to do for now, and then we'll get started with the video. So let's get started. Make sure not to lose that little washer here. So that's one of the Phillips. All I did was pull off. There's a Phillips here. Go ahead and take that off. Back here, we're going to have this right here for the power window. All you have to do. Okay, so this is the little snap-on. You see how that is? Goes right on this. So you just pull it off, and that's pretty much it. That's it. This came off on its own, so that was okay. That was cool. Now I'm going to remove this. And just remember, when you remove this, just be kind of cautious with all that black goo, the RTV, whatever you want to call it. This gasket that's around here, so that you don't get it on you. Mind you, you're going to have to reuse this. And if yours is too beat up, you're going to have to buy one, because water will get into your door and into your car. And that's happened before in another car, my E90. So luckily this store card, everything is intact. That's beautiful. And let's go ahead and get this off. I'm going to open our Rock Auto. She is in all her glory. Yeah. All right. So, old one, and I'm gonna show you all the difference when you do when the new one's on there. Anyway, mention something out real quick. This has been replaced before. See that right there? So it's been replaced before. And it does include instructions, but who needs those, right? From davidbuildvlogzz, YouTube mechanic, so you're in good hands. So we have our 10mm and our electric ratchet, and time to remove these. Just a little bit so we could see where and hold this window. Okay, now I want to explain to you guys my mistake here. Now I should have lowered the window to about right here, so the window would have been like halfway, and then that would have given me easy access to, if you could see it in there, to that bridge where these pieces are going to have to go. So let me show you real quick. These blocks right here. See that? So those are gonna have to go within that rail. Now it's gonna be very difficult to do it. So I'm gonna attempt to do it now. So we find the culprit of what was causing it to mess up, and it really wasn't the motor. So that's pretty interesting. It was this white piece, and that is actually one of the common things on E34s, and if an E30 has the same kind, it's probably the same issue. So yeah, look, You see that other Y clip is complete. This one is broken, and that is what will definitely cause a window to act up, whether it might not go up, might not go down. And that was for sure the case in this vehicle. I'm pretty sure that the old motor, the window motor, still works on it. So oh well, we'll just switch it out either way since we already went this far. All right, y'all, and I got this window down to where you see it at, kind of like the midway point, and I exposed this bridge or whatever you want to call it. And it gave me a chance to put these in through that, see that kind of like right here, this opening right here. Where's the finger at? I can't really see. Okay, there you go. So it gave me a chance to put both of these in here. So I got them in. It's in place. I just need to bolt it down and we're good to go. So this install is hard if you do not follow instructions. So disregard what I said earlier about the instructions. I wasn't pretty smart about that. So let's go ahead and bolt this down now. And I do want to mention, go ahead and get a ratcheting wrench, and it'll be a 10mm, and go behind it and just so you can hold it while you tighten these up. And on the other one, I don't know if you recall, but I used these bolts. These were a lot better than this. But anyway, let's go ahead and just tighten this up. Okay, so everything's nice and secure. Now all we need is clips, but we have new ones. So one goes there and the other one will go somewhere in there. So that one, you're not gonna be able to see me do it, but this is so you can take it off with a screwdriver and that'll get it out. And these are just simple, just goes right behind this thing in here, and in it goes and it holds it in place. Okay, there you have it. I zip tied it here. Just make sure everything was nice and neat, and then make sure you put this little device and this little silver bracket back on there. Screw and nut that is supplied with the kit, and you're just going to install like this. So this is all you have to do, like this. So let me go ahead and install it. Once you have that one secure, just go ahead and install it. Make sure you just tighten these and you're set. Then after this, you can go ahead and put the vapor guard and then the rest. Let's go ahead and do that. Also, don't forget to put this right here back onto this metal piece. Now you're ready to install your door card. So once you get your door card, make sure that you hook this thing back on there like that. Your window cable should be with the wires up, not facing down. And then last but not least, your lock cap goes through there. So let me go ahead and do this. You guys get the idea. You have it. Once you put it back, you just work from the top to the bottom, and then these just basically snap on here. I've done a video like this before. There's probably better ones out there, but you know, we'll just go ahead and button it down now. And then the other screw that's the size of that one goes in here. Okay, and now you should have a working window. There you go. So if you did enjoy this video, please leave it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I've noticed lately YouTube has been kind of awkward about the whole subscription thing. So I would really appreciate it if you guys did subscribe and hit that notification bell button so that you can be notified when there is an upload. And thank you guys for everything. If you did like this video, like I said, share it out, give it a thumbs up. And that's pretty much it for today. Stay tuned. There's a lot of stuff coming, a lot of things, you know, just down the pipeline. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on the next one.